With my 20 plus years in the beauty industry, there's one thing I've learned is that high price tags doesn't always mean high performance. Today, I'm breaking down my current top high performing skincare and everything is under $30. But honestly, some of these work better than my $100 items that are in my cabinet. We're talking NAD, PDRN, a fermented essence, and a whole host of other great ingredients that is definitely changing the game in skincare. So let's get into this affordable luxury skincare. And make sure you stay to the end for a little extra credit. I'm going to apply these in a routine so you can see how they can fit in. The first one we're going to start with is MetaHeal Photo Enzyme Peel Pads. These are only $24. They are super gentle. They use a papaya enzyme for exfoliation and also LHA, which is super, super gentle. So these actually are effective for you to use every day. I like to do something like this as my first step after cleansing. What natural enzymes do is they eat at the surface layer of any kind of texture or built-up. These are also great for the first step and the perfect canvas for makeup. The next step I would do is the Anua Heartleaf 7-7 Hydration. This is obviously, as you can tell, a very watery essence. This is kind of like that skin reset button. This is great for people that have sensitized skin and redness. Also going to help prep the skin for our next serum. This is one of the top performing products in Korea for a reason, for that irritated skin. It's like a cool drink of water. And the heart leaf extract is what helps with redness and soothing the skin. Now you're gonna go in with your vitamin C. This vitamin C, which is called the Glow Maker from Maylove. You've heard me talk about them for many, many years. I love this product. It is just as good as the one that's on the market that's over $100. It has L-ascorbic acid. It also has ferulic acid in it. Vitamin C is great for brightening the skin as well as protecting the skin from environmental aggressors. Great for collagen protection. This formula is stable as long as you keep it obviously sealed and in a dark place. You can't beat this for $30. Now that you've actually let that sit, this is a product by Shy called Urea Glow Bubble Serum. And it is a two-part system, as you can see, and you're just gonna shake it up. And so it combines the two sections together. Urea, look at that, it's a foamy texture. You do not need a lot of this product. A pump to a pump and a half is all you need. This is great for a gentle skin resurfacer and I use that word loosely because it's a very gentle version of it. It's fantastic for hydration. Urea is one of those unsung heroes for rough textured skin. Now this is at 2%, so you don't have to worry about using it daily and causing sensitized skin. It absorbs really quickly and gives you that kind of start to that glass glowing healthy skin. It also goes beautifully under makeup, no pilling or anything. Now we let that sit and do its thing. This is the Numbuzzin number 9 NAD plus retinol eye cream. Now, yes, we're doing a day routine, so don't use this during the day. In my opinion, it's a retinol. So use this at night, but I just wanted to show you it. So you're gonna hear a lot, I'm sure you've already started to hear a lot about NAD plus. This is a longevity molecule for the skin. This helps really smooth out that under eye, as well as it's working on the structural integrity of that under eye area. And we know that retinol is the gold standard in fine line skin texture. So under the eyes, you're getting that barrier support as with the NAD plus and as well as the regenerative qualities of retinol, but it also has 50 different peptides in it. So again, it's just one of those eye creams that works overtime. It's fantastic for this area. It's not just a moisturizer, it literally is doing the job of several different products in one. And did I mention it's $16? And everything will be linked in the description box, but as well at elleary.com. You can find everything over there. That's my platform. So please head over there. You can see the description of this and kind of a more of a detailed breakdown. The urea serum, as well as the Dr. Cyril kombucha essence, which is also again a double serum. Really, you don't need, for most people, a moisturizer after this. You're just gonna pop some sunscreen on and then go about your makeup and the rest of your day. This is a 78% vegan tea complex, so it's kombucha and green tea. So this one is just like the ultimate, it screams essence, hydrator, all, and like kind of a light, very light cream all in one. It's kind of for those days, which I use it almost every day, that you want a minimal kind of routine, but you want maximum glow, this is what you're gonna reach for. I'm so glad you stayed to the end with me because these are some amazing must not miss bonuses. For my double cleanse family, which I hope all of you are, this is I'm from Rice Whipped Cleanser. It is a very milky, hydrating, gentle cleanser. So that's gonna be your second step in your cleanse. This is actually new to me. I've been using it for the past month. It's gorgeous. This is by Nutrium. This is the Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. It really eliminates all makeup, all sunscreen. It does not irritate my eyes. It has kind of like this sorbet texture, and it's only 20 bucks. This literally will last me months. It feels very luxurious, and it does not leave a film on the skin. Another from Maylove. They have such amazing price points, and they're just so well formulated. And this is going to be the Maylove Stargazer. This is going to be step 1 or level 1 retinol, or the blue one. That is going to be step 2. So you start with this, go through 1 bottle, then go to the blue bottle. This is formulated with retinaldehyde. It only has to convert in the skin 1 time to be retinoic acid and to be super, super efficient. So if you are not a Retin-A user, I urge you to really check this out. Now, if you want a milky toner, that is such a great price point. This is again Anuia. This is the Rice 70 plus ceramides. It's 70% rice water, which is an ancient brightening solution or ingredient. But then it's also formulated with ceramides to make it a little more modern to lock in that moisture. And then last and final is it's $8, you guys. This is the MetaHeal Rose PDRN. It's $8 for 4. This is going to be like that red carpet skin. I use these a couple times a week with other sheet masks because sheet masks I'm obsessed with. If you have a special occasion or you just want to look really, really glowy and the skin hydrated to the gods and you just want makeup to fall on the skin so beautifully, that's a great one to use. So over time, it can help with pore size as well as slightly firming the appearance of skin with that PDRN. It's all over the internet right now, the PDRN. It's in every Korean treatment in their studios, and you're going to see it here in the United States soon. You can see my skin right now. Look how glowy and dewy and bouncy it is. It is ready for the rest of my makeup routine. Skincare is an investment in yourself, but you don't have to overinvest just to see results. There are places where your investment is positive and a great idea, but these products here will stand the test of time. I know you're going to love them, and you can't beat under 30 price point. Which of these ingredients are you most curious about? The NAD+, the PDRN? Let me know in the comments section. Head over to Leary.com to see all of these goodies and to read more about this routine. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.